Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we are diving deep into the latest leaks and rumors surrounding the highly anticipated Canon EOS R6 Mark III. If you're a photography or videography enthusiast, you won't miss this breakdown of the final leaks revealing what could be one of Canon's most impressive mirrorless cameras yet. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II has already set a high bar, making its successor one of the most eagerly awaited releases. Originally, the EOS R6 Mark III was rumored to debut before CP Plus in February 2025, but as we now know, that didn't happen. The delay has sparked speculation, but recent reports suggest that Canon is targeting a May 2025 launch. Production challenges seem to be a key factor in this shift, as Canon is still working to meet the overwhelming demand for the EOS R5 Mark II and the upcoming EOS R1 across various markets. Given the immense popularity of the R6 series as Canon's best-selling full-frame mirrorless lineup, ensuring sufficient stock before the official release is a top priority. With the EOS R1 and R5 Mark II setting sales records, expectations for the R6 Mark III remain sky-high. Enthusiasts and professionals alike are eagerly awaiting the official unveiling, which is now strongly believed to happen in May 2025. The question on everyone's mind is, what new features will the Canon R6 Mark III bring to the table? One of the most talked about upgrades is the rumored 24-megapixel LC1720 sensor, reportedly derived from the flagship EOS R3. This sensor is expected to introduce groundbreaking improvements, including ultra-fast readout speeds and remarkably low light performance. A 24MP resolution strikes an ideal balance between image quality and shooting speed, making it perfect for professional photographers who need both high-resolution and rapid burst shooting capabilities. The sensor promises sharper, more vibrant images with superior color reproduction, all while maintaining excellent dynamic range. Whether you're capturing high-speed action or shooting in difficult lighting conditions, the R6 Mark III is expected to perform exceptionally well with minimal noise. Canon is also rumored to incorporate a next-generation digic accelerator processor, an even more advanced iteration of its proprietary image processing technology. This upgraded processor is expected to enhance performance across the board, from faster autofocus accuracy to improved image rendering speeds and enhanced video capabilities. With the addition of 6K oversampled cinema 4K recording and 4K at 120 FPS, this processing power will allow for smoother footage, better noise reduction, and reduced lag when capturing high-speed subjects. Whether you're a sports photographer or a filmmaker, the R6 Mark III is shaping up to be an absolute powerhouse. One of the most exciting advancements is the introduction of an 8.5-stop collaborative image stabilization system. This marks a significant improvement over its predecessor, making handheld shooting much more effective. This stabilization system will be a game-changer for low-light photography, allowing for crisp, blur-free images even when shooting without a tripod. This is particularly valuable for those capturing wildlife, sports, or street photography, where unpredictable movements and lighting conditions can make stabilization essential. Autofocus is another area where the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is expected to shine. If rumors are true, it will inherit Canon's cutting-edge dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, featuring an impressive 1,530 autofocus points. This means virtually any area of the frame will be in focus, making subject tracking and precision focusing easier than ever. Whether you're photographing fast-moving subjects or shooting in low-light environments, the R6 Mark III's autofocus system is designed to deliver impeccable accuracy and responsiveness. For photographers who require rapid-fire shooting, the Canon R6 Mark III is rumored to support 14-bit RAW continuous shooting at an impressive 30 frames per second using its electronic shutter. This rapid burst mode will be a massive advantage for sports and wildlife photographers who need to capture split-second moments in stunning high resolution. Additionally, the camera is expected to feature an ultra-fast readout speed of 1/88,000 of a second, minimizing rolling shutter distortion and ensuring crystal-clear image capture, even in high-speed scenarios. A particularly intriguing feature reportedly making its way to the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is the in-camera neural network noise reduction system. This AI-powered technology is designed to intelligently reduce noise, particularly at high ISO levels. By utilizing machine learning algorithms, the camera will be capable of analyzing noise patterns and selectively reducing noise without compromising image details. This innovation is especially beneficial for photographers who frequently shoot in dimly lit environments, as it ensures clean, detailed images without the need for extensive post-processing. In addition to noise reduction, The R6 Mark III is rumored to offer high-resolution magnification for improved focus accuracy. This feature will allow users to zoom in on captured images with enhanced clarity, ensuring precise image review and composition adjustments in the field. On the video front, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is shaping up to be an absolute powerhouse. The camera is expected to support high-end recording formats such as XFAVC and XFHEVC, enabling filmmakers to capture high-quality footage with excellent compression efficiency. It's also rumored to feature Cinema 4K recording at 120p, Super 35mm mode, and 6K oversampled Cinema 4K. These features will provide filmmakers with incredible flexibility, allowing for digital cropping, zooming, and post-production enhancements without sacrificing quality. Additionally, the camera is expected to support 6K 30p and 4K 60p cinema raw light recording, an enormous advantage for professional cinematographers who require high dynamic range footage. With all these rumored features, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is shaping up to be one of the most capable mirrorless cameras in its class. From its advanced 24MP sensor to its industry-leading image stabilization and next-generation autofocus, Canon seems poised to deliver a camera that caters to both professional photographers and videographers alike. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action, filming cinematic content, or producing high-resolution stills, the R6 Mark III promises to offer outstanding performance across the board. As we inch closer to its expected May 2025 launch, anticipation for the Canon EOS R6 Mark III continues to grow. If these rumored specs hold, the R6 Mark III could make a significant impact in the photography and filmmaking industries, further cementing Canon's dominance in the mirrorless camera market. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for the latest news on camera gear, leaks, and in-depth reviews.